Hi, I just wanted to share a small feedback about toothsi. My journey with toothsi aligners began 5 months back, and currently in 10th set of my aligners. The course of treatment has been good so far. All my teeth gap has been reduced. Only little bit of teeth straightening and alignment is there, and I'm pretty sure in a few weeks of time I would have a perfect smile with the help of these toothsi aligners. The best thing I liked about toothsi is that people don't get to know that you're wearing it. It's invisible. And the second most best thing is that you can remove it just before eating, and you can eat whatever you want. There is no food restrictions, because I have seen people who are wearing braces struggling to eat food, and later on food getting stuck in the braces, and they have to quite often clean up and do floss, all such things. So yeah, so in that way Tootsie aligners is much better than the braces. And I'm so at the end I'm so happy with this. I chose Tootsie for my smile correction, and I would definitely recommend to anyone who would want to go ahead with it. Thank you.